All right, well, a little work sequence there. You can see I'm getting that shoulder built, and did it just slightly different than I did the other side, and using basically the same materials. I've got that fiberglass sheet, the plastic foamed plastic 1x4s, just like this stuff here, by 8 foot. I'm cutting that down for the inside framework, kind of the bones. And then the adhesive I'm using this time is the Gorilla Glue heavy duty adhesive. I'll show you what I'm using. Gorilla heavy duty construction adhesive. So it's it was tested as one of the top adhesives for these types of materials, so plastics and fiberglass, things like that. Just watched some videos on YouTube, and this stuff was, you know, a really good adhesive to use. Supply chain issues with the Loctite PL, which is kind of a bummer, because that's what I used last time and I really liked it. But we should get good results with this stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and get it put on, get this frame squared up, and well, it's actually purposely a little bit out of square, just because that shoulder, the width is a little bit different, 22 inches toward the back, and then 21 5/8 inches toward the front. It's just the way it is. So that's the way I've cut this material. I'm gonna get it all glued up, get the foam insulation put in just like I did on the other shoulder, and let it sit overnight, you know, put some weights on it, and let it sit overnight to cure. All right, I'm just gonna let that set up overnight, and then tomorrow I can come out and get the insulation put in, those voids, put the top layer on, get it installed. All right, so I'm getting this fiberglass panel cut. Got it marked out just slightly out of square. This edge here is 22 inches. This edge here is 21 5/8, and then the full length is 56. Get that cut with my Makita, and I've already got my foam cut out of my 4x8 sheet here. Get this stuff glued in, and get this new top panel put on. Get that weighted so it can set up overnight. Let that adhesive set up real well. I'll get it installed in the camper in the next day or two, but that'll be on another video. So until then, you guys take it easy. Later.